What is the fastest way you can fix your trading? That is what I want to talk about and show you here in this video. And right off the get-go, some of you are probably going to be upset because you're thinking I'm going to give you some sort of magic pill or holy grail. And in a sense, I guess I am. But if you just think that, oh, if I buy this indicator, if I buy this trading bot, that's the fastest way to fix my trading. If that's what you're looking for, just shut it off right now. Leave a troll comment and just head elsewhere, because that's not what I'm going to show you here. I'm going to give you an actual solution and the fastest way to fix yourself, because I am confident in saying if you don't do what I'm going to reveal is a problem out there using an actual interaction I had, then you're going to never find success. And like I said, there's not many guarantees in the market, but that's one guarantee I can make. If you don't do what I tell you to do in this video, you're never going to fix yourself. You're never going to fix your trading results. So I want to share a YouTube comment I got, and there's essentially 3 statements being made, and I just want you to kind of think about what's being said and ask yourself, do I see any major problems? Now, there are major problems, but there's something here that is by far the most important problem. So let me go through this, and like I said, just think to yourself, see if you see any massive problems. So Sam says that kept adding to my margin, lost so much, just sick of charts now. So Sam has made 3 different statements. He kept adding to his margin. That's not good. That's not good, especially if you're just averaging down, you're doing it sort of randomly. But regardless, when you just keep adding, and not to mention when it's on margin, yeah, that's not good. And then what? Well, he lost so much. Obviously, that's not good. Not necessarily losing, because everybody as a trader is going to lose, but losing so much, well, yeah, that's not good either. And then he's just sick of charts. He's tired of charts. And that right there is the problem. Who is Sam blaming here? Who is Sam seemingly attributing the cause to his problems at? Well, charts. I'm sick of charts. As if charts were the problem here. Now, charts are not perfect. Nothing is perfect. That's why risk management is involved. That's why you've got to be able to have a strategy with rules, because that's what those rules are literally doing. They're helping you deal with the fact that any tool you use, whether that's balance sheets, cash flow statements, technical charts, whatever sort of tool you're using, there's no such thing as a perfect tool. Therefore, you've got to have rules around that to make sure your risk is managed. So it's not the chart's fault here. Dare I say, Sam, that it's your fault for adding to margin, allowing yourself to lose so much. The chart didn't force you to keep on adding to the margin. The charts didn't force you to lose so much money. So why are you sick of them? Perhaps, Sam, you should be sick and tired of your lack of discipline, of your not following rules, assuming you had rules. I don't mean to be harsh to you, Sam, and I have no idea if Sam will even watch this, but I don't mean to be harsh to Sam, but you're never going to fix your trading if you're blaming the wrong things. Light bulb. To blame charts is to blame what's not the problem. And yes, maybe, wait, that's it, Clay? Blame yourself? Yes, that's it, because you just saw right here, and it's very common. I see it quite a bit. People not blaming what needs to be blamed. And if you blame the things that aren't the actual cause of the problem, then literally, by definition, you're never going to fix the problem if you're blaming the thing that is not the problem. And I assure you, charts were not the problem. Sure, charts will never always make you money, but that doesn't necessarily mean they're a problem, because you've got to be able to manage risk and build strategies around them. Charts are just a tool. So don't blame charts when it was you that kept adding to margin. So just keep that in mind. You got to blame the right things. You are never, and I can guarantee it, you'll never fix your trading results, whether that's swing trading or day trading or investing or really anything in life, quite frankly. You're never going to fix that thing if you're not blaming that thing as the problem. Because you're going to, I don't even know what Sam's really planned. Is he done with charts? He's going to go, I'm not sure what he's going to do, but what I can tell you is he's not blaming the right things, which is not going to get him to where he wants to go. So I hope this helps. Nothing fancy, nothing revolutionary, but like I said, very, very real. It happens, and it's a big problem, because by definition, like I said, you're not going to fix the actual problem. So that's all I have for you. Have you ever seen anything like this? Let me know in the comment section. Sam, if you are watching, I wish you nothing but the best. I want you to improve. That's why I want to take time to go over this and hopefully open your eyes that you got to be blaming the right things, which unfortunately is you. But the good news here for you, Sam, and for everybody else is if you're blaming the person in the mirror as the problem, that means the person in the mirror is also the solution. So you can get things fixed and turn around, and I hope that you do that for yourself. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.